As we are going to take you through the images of Prime Minister Modi meditating, here's a quick flashback of Prime Minister Modi in 1991, which has now kicked up a storm on social media. Of course, those who admire Prime Minister Narendra Modi showing this 33-year-old image of the Prime Minister at the same very location where he visited the Kanyakumari Vivekananda Rock Memorial back in 1991, specifically on the 11th of December. It shows clearly a very young Narendra Modi standing alongside BJP veteran Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi during that Ekta Yatra there. This picture now surfacing online social media, generating a lot of buzz, of course. It's being shared widely as Prime Minister Modi today, 33 years later, is in the same very spot at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, meditating for 45 hours at a stretch. These images are precious. It's, of course, special considering that Prime Minister Modi, back in the day, carried out that Ekta Yatra. To dub it in English, it's the Unity March that was launched in December 1991 from Kanyakumari and finally culminated all the way on the 26th of January in 1992. And that was the time when it culminated, Indian flag was hoisted in Srinagar. That march itself at that point was led by BJP veteran Murli Manohar Joshi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of today. The young Narendra Modi then is seen standing right beside Murli Manohar Joshi. And here we're seeing 33 years later, the Prime Minister back in the same spot, this time as the Prime Minister, one of the most glorious leaders of this country that the country has seen, at least the most admired, one of the most admired leaders, surely, that Prime Minister Modi is currently meditating at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial as part of his 45-hour stint. It's just begun. In fact, it happened last evening, not just 6:45 last evening. He started that meditation. It's now been a good few hours. He's been meditating through the night. And while he does so, we're looking at images of the past that's now surfacing, trying to establish Prime Minister Modi's connect with Kanyakumari and, of course, with Vivekananda. Let me cut across to Pramod, also joining us for more on that. He's right there in Kanyakumari, where Prime Minister Modi is meditating alongside Akshita as well. Pramod, you've been bringing us the first images right from the start. Even before Prime Minister Modi landed, you got us the images of all the security measures that were adopted. We believe there are 2,000 police personnel currently guarding those areas just to give absolute security to the Prime Minister. Of course, Akshita did mention that no tourists are inconvenienced. While that said, we're looking at some pictures, a blast from the past, showing Prime Minister Modi 33 years ago, a young Narendra Modi standing right beside that Vivekananda Rock Memorial.
Absolutely, Nabila. In fact, to the right side is the Rock Memorial along with the Revolver statue, and even at the background, you could still see that the Indian Coast Guard ships are doing their patrols as well. We've been seeing it 24/7. These patrols are occurring over here, just like you mentioned. Nearly 2,000 policemen have been deployed on the roads that lead to that plot. That area is completely being blocked as well. You need special passes to enter the spot, and that way, all major protection has been provided. And it's been like this for more than I can say nearly 30 hours. This is a condition over there. However, just to make sure that there is no inconvenience for the tourists who have already planned to come over here, since 7:30 a.m., tourists were allowed to visit the memorial as well. However, you're not allowed to take any cell phones or such. That way also, all plans were done, and you'll be sent in only after thorough frisking as well. So on one side, the Prime Minister is conducting his dhyana on the Dhyana Mandapam and the Sabha Mandapam in front of the Vivekananda statue as well. So he's conducting his dhyana, but at the same time, the tourists are allowed to go along and visit the Rock Memorial, Nabila.
You know, what we know is that Vivekananda, who's an icon for the country, is someone who Prime Minister Modi has admired. And that's testimony with that 1991 photograph of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a young gun then, who grew up to be part of the RSS and then gone on to rise above the ranks within the BJP as a party karyakarta, a worker that he was, went around the country as part of that Padayatra, as part of different yatra. That one specifically that we're speaking of is the Ekta Yatra that was pulled off by Murli Manohar Joshi, and Prime Minister Modi was very much part of it. So he's been active campaigning for his party right from day one to today. And the goal is for a Viksit Bharat, a strong country, a united nation. And he's chosen Kanyakumari, where three oceans converge, which the BJP is dubbing it as a symbol for national unity. Very significant, isn't it, Pramod?
It absolutely is. In fact, like you could see behind us, the ocean or the sea over here, this is a place which has been considered or called as the place where the three seas come together. West Bengal, the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, they actually combine. That's why it's called the Mukkadal Sangamam, which means a place where all three seas to come together. So it's an extremely serene place, Nabila. It is summer over here, but thanks to Kanyakumari being next to Kerala, the weather is like very pleasant, unlike what is happening in Chennai as well. And like if you go to the Rock Memorial, that's a different experience once you enter the Sabha Mandapam, because that memorial is constructed in such a way that no matter how hot it is outside, the inside place will be much cooler. You can actually hear the sound of the sea and the inside reflecting inside the spot, and that's a serene way to conduct your dhyana. So like that way, this Kanyakumari you see over here, that is like a place definitely for like that particular rock memorial is for dhyana only, and that's where the Prime Minister has decided to do so, Nabila.
All right. Well, Pramod, stay with us, and most often these images usually come with its fair share of politics. We know that Prime Minister Modi pulled off a similar exercise even in Kedarnath in 2019 during the poll campaign. At that point too, there was criticism. This point as well, it's no different.